Hi, I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Today I am unboxing my Christmas gift from me to me. I was not planning on buying myself anything this year for Christmas, but my lovely Fendi sales associate reached out to me and asked if I was going to be home on a certain day and said he was sending me a Christmas gift, which utterly surprised me. I have not made a single purchase this year from Fendi. Last January of 23, I bought a peekaboo and I bought a bag in December of 23. Nothing this year. I could not believe he was sending me a gift. That is amazing. I got a card from my lovely Tiffany sales associate, and the store and the brand that I spent the most with this year ignored me altogether. I don't ever expect anything, but I was just thought that was so thoughtful. So I'm going to open the gift with you and open my bag. So I blame him for this completely, because when he texted me, I was like, I have been being so good. I have been wanting to reach out to him and ask him about this bag. And I'm like, no, you're going to behave. And of course, he instantly sent me video and I had to see it in person. So we're going to unbox that and we're going to see what it's like in person. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Melinda. If you're returning, I cannot thank you enough for coming back. And if you have not joined us and subscribed, why not? Just go ahead and do it, and let's have some fun on this channel and let's do an unboxing. So let's do the jewelry of the day. I have on my diamond hoops, my new to me, old to me solitaire pendant, my diamond ring and bracelet, and my blingy Rolex, because it is the holidays, so why not? So it came in a giant box, in a giant bag with the pretty Fendi ribbon. Let me get this off. They tie this ribbon pretty good. And then inside on the top, I can tell that's the gift. Fendi does not ever change their packaging. At least I've never seen them change their packaging for Christmas. And I don't know, maybe it's just more cost effective not to, but this is really pretty. So let's see what is in this first. And then we will unbox the bag together. Again, so impressed, because, and he didn't have any idea I was going to make a purchase. Like I said, I texted him after he texted me. So let's see what is in here. Sprinkle. That's a pretty box. Let's see. Open it up. Oh my goodness. Wow, these are beautiful. They are Fendi ornaments. Those are so, oops, I don't want to break them. They're so beautiful. I'm trying to hold them. I know, you're just getting the blowout from the ring light. Oh, these are really pretty. Oh my goodness. And I'm just trying to take one out. It has Fendi on the ribbon. It looks like two eyeballs because of the ring lights. So there's a green, that's a blue, there's a green, there's a gold, and a green. Oh, that's gonna go perfect with my Christmas tree theme. It is exactly the colors. Wow, that was super nice. Okay, and it says not for sale inside of there. No, I can't set that up like that. No, I'm not gonna break it. That was really sweet. So now let's get into the bag. That's impressive. It really is. The way, you know, I have some videos coming up about how I'm feeling about some luxury brands. They're coming up later, but not today. Today's a happy video. So here is the box, and open it up, and it comes with the Fendi tissue paper. Excuse me, I'm kind of losing my voice and I don't know why, because I am not sick. So let's get this out of the way. Just sit it over here. There we go. And here is the dust bag, and it is tied in some knots. Get that undone. And I have not seen this in person. We usually go to Las Vegas for a weekend in December, and the last time I was there, I told everybody I'm not coming back this year, and nobody believed me, and we did not come back this year. My husband wanted to. I said no. Like, no. I have traveled enough this year. Okay, let's see. I don't know, I'm kind of nervous because it's might be a little similar to something I got last year. It's very well wrapped, and it is the Fendi Baguette in the what is the word? I am blanking out on the word. Oh my goodness, the crystals that change color. The word will come to me in just a moment. It will come to me very soon. Oh, wow. This multicolor. Haha. It changes color. And he was showing me that on the video. And I was like, it is, wow. That like completely, do you see how it's like pink, it's purple, it's turquoise. That is gorgeous. I am going to get my Fendi first in a moment and show it to you and see if they are different enough from one another. But I was talking to my husband about this, and he's like, why are you ordering that? And I said, I have every practical bag under the sun. And I have been telling him going forward, if I buy a bag, it's going to be something really unique and special. And wow, this is unique and special. So the leather on it, let's take off the wrapping on the straps, and then let's look at the inside of it. So it's like silver. I don't remember if it said silver or white on the website, but to me it looks silver. And put it back on. And of course you got the rotating little clips there that say Fendi on it. This is really, really pretty. This is really, really pretty. And he showed me another one that was the exact same. It was the Montresor, and it was almost the exact same as my Fendi first. But I'm gonna get that one in a moment. And let's see. So it's all got the plastic on it. Here is the inside of it. And the inside of it, the inside of it is all leather lined, and the outside of it is suede. And get the wrapping out of here. It's the little Fendi, what is this? Ah, that's interesting. I've not had this before. It's a QR code that you can scan to get care instructions. Oh, that's very interesting. Have not had that before. So let's get the paper out. And there is a zipped compartment in here with, iridescent, not multicolor. Iridescent was the word I was looking for. Baguette crystal iridescent with Napa leather on the inside. Iridescent was the word, not multicolor, but it is multicolored. And then there's a silver little tag inside of here that says Fendi made in Italy. And then the inside of it is all leather lined in that beautiful silver color. This is gorgeous. Wow, this is absolutely, wow, this is stunning. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the camera. Let me take the wrapping off of this and look at this one, this strap. So yeah, this one is just a longer shoulder strap. I did try on some baguettes when I was in Europe, and if you're very petite, you can crossbody it, but for me, no. But I'm gonna pause this and I'm gonna get my Fendi first, and I'm gonna go show this to my husband because he's brutally honest, and he will instantly tell me if he loves it or hates it. So I'll be right back. I am in utter shock. He said it was super cool and that he thought it was really, really pretty. I was waiting for I hate it, it's too similar to your other bag. I was just, because when I showed him the video, he was like, really? Because it depends. Again, excuse me, I Don't know what's going on with my voice, but it really just depends on which way you turn it. Like, you either see blue or you don't see blue, or it's all pink. I mean, like, that looks like a disco ball, but it doesn't look like that in person. Like, if I hold it over here, I don't know. But here is it next to the Fendi First that I got last year. So I think that they are different enough. And I like the size of this one, and I like that it has a shoulder strap. This does too, but it's very, very tiny. But what do you think? Do you think that they're different enough or too similar? But I did text my sales associate before it came, and I told him, you know, I'm gonna have to make complete sure with this one. It was not inexpensive. It was not inexpensive, but I have to try it on with outfits and make sure that the iridescent multicolor, it is multicolor, but it really isn't. It's iridescent, that it goes with outfits as well as this one does, because this one's solid silver, so it's quite easy to match this. It's very dressy. You have to dress up with it, I think, but yeah, I gotta try this on with outfits. But wow, it is really, really, really pretty. I also need to try my things in it and all of that good stuff. I'm going to leave the plastic on everything until I am 1000% sure. But oh wow, now it's like, which sparkly bag do I like better? Do I like both of them? A lot to think about. If I didn't have this one, this would be a no-brainer, but I'm like, I don't know. It's gorgeous. It is absolutely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bag, but I have to wear it. It can't just be special and unique. I have to wear it. But yeah, I did my nails purple because it looked very purple, and I wore purple because it looked very purple. It's kind of coming off a lot more blue, I think, right now than it is with the purples and the pinks, but like, it's just gorgeous. It is absolutely beautiful. Out of the two, which is your favorite? Let's show this one up a little bit closer. This one is a lot heavier, and I'm sure it's due to this metal bar. This one has a fabric lining, and it does have a little small shoulder strap, which is nice, but it looks a lot better as a clutch than a shoulder bag. But it's nice to have that option. You need to go wash your hands or whatever, you don't have to worry about where to put your bag. Just pop that strap on. And the one thing about the Baguettes I am a little bit confused about is this particular strap. I don't quite understand it, and I didn't understand it in Europe either. Like, since it is my first Baguette, is it just like to be worn in the crook of the arm, or, you know, just like if you need to get it up, you can wash your hands or something? I don't know. I don't understand the length of this one, why it's so short. Or is it just for really, really skinny people? I don't know. But it is stunning, stunning, stunning. So yes, I am gonna go play right now, and I'm gonna go try on a bunch of outfits and see how I feel about it. Popping back on here for a quick update. Hopefully it will splice okay, and if it won't splice okay, it's going to be at the end of the video. So I never made it to my closet with the bag. Oh goodness, it was a beauty. So before I went to try on a bunch of outfits, which was what I planned on doing after filming, I tried the longer shoulder strap on the bag, and I put my things in the bag, everything in pouches. I mean, you know, just, you know, how you try your things in the store in a bag. And which I was told, of course, you're allowed to, and of course you know that. So tried my things in the bag. Love the capacity. Love, love, love the capacity of what it holds. A lot more than the capacity of this one. And I was looking at them and, like, you know, if I could only have one, I'd probably pick the iridescent one. It was so cool. But the strap, I've already boxed it up. It's put back exactly as it came, or I would show you. The strap is so wide. It just kept it didn't fall all the way off, and my husband's like, well, it must be because of the weight of the bag. And I'm like, no, it's not. And when I tried it on empty, I thought, well, as soon as I put my things in, then it won't do that. So unfortunately, this is not my Christmas gift from me to me, and I probably will not be getting myself anything else, but I wanted to leave the video and put it up anyways in case any of you are considering it, because it is gorgeous and I have not seen anybody else unbox that bag. It is stunning. So we are headed to UPS and hopefully somebody else buys it and has better shoulders than me. But thank you for letting me share. I hope you have an amazing day today, and I hope to talk to you again very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.